Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit you ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah. Oh. Start the episode.
Start it.
Yeah.
Hello!
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 Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank.
Yeah, I think we're on the final leg.
Yes, this is clearly a cutscene to set up the final episode. Not final episode. Final level. Don't know how long it's going to take. Maybe it is a 20-minute level. Maybe this is the final episode. Who fucking knows?
But we're wanted!
It's probably not. It's probably going to be the next episode.
Yeah.
Look at this no-nosed motherfucker.
Who does he think? They both got no
You know, I
noses.
said before, are there any humans in this? And you laughed at me.
Yeah.
Is Quark not a human?
I think that answers your question. He nodded. Yes,
He does. He looks like a human, just without a nose. Maybe he's evolved to the point where he doesn't need a nose.
Oh, Raritanium, that, yeah, it gives you discounts at the Gadgetron thing.
Oh, it gives you that as well?
Yeah.
Is that what the Persuader is?
Yeah.
It just lets you buy shit cheaper. Use it to persuade people to get cheap
How
shit.
is that rocket still flying? He took up most of that rocket. Surely he's way too heavy for that thing
He
to
is the
carry.
rocket. He's a rocket man.
Burning something all day. Yeah. Sorry, Elton John. Ratchet. What, Clank? I need to go party.
Wonder how much there is actually to do in here. It's the final level.
I did not see direct ship.
I did not see Drake.
Drake. That's who the real villain of this game is. It's Drake.
He's a villain of real life with his fucking shitty albums.
Steven Seagal singing Hotline Bling.
As long as he doesn't do the dance.
No, he does.
Oh god.
How much cheaper is the thing? Oh man.
Wow.
Should have waited to buy the other thing.
Yeah, I know.
Everything's got like
Half price. Oh,
no,
third
not
off.
price. Third off. Yeah.
You know, I'll get 10,000 bolts and then I'll buy the Vizzy gun.
Oh, does it only apply to that? I wonder if getting
No, it applies
health
to
at
all
the
of them.
other planet. Remember, there's the vending machine in the other world.
Yeah, I
was
think it only
30,000
applies to that.
Oh, it'd be good if it was only 20,000 now, even though we still wouldn't be able to get that either. Check the map and see how many question marks there are when you land. Alright.
One.
Do it mid-air. One. So maybe this is just one final mission. Maybe it's just a lot to do, but it's one final mission.
Those pulsating towers of force field.
You're going to need the
Devastator and Vizzy Bomb.
You got both of those, haven't you?
Yes. Oh no, I've not got the Vizzy Bomb, I've got the Devastator.
Right, do you need both or just one of them?
Just one.
There you go, we're all good.
What the fuck are those things?
Those are pterodactyls. They incite terror.
I was going to call them Jawasauruses, but...
Because they're Jawasauras.
Yeah, because it looks like they've got smiling mouths.
Not the Jawasauras.
It's so snappy.
Coming from me.
The worst thing you can do is give it chewing gum.
It's the Omnomnomosaurus. Om. This is the noise they make as well. They sound like people saying it. Om nom nom. Kind of like cats. You know, cats make that weird shitty noise. They try and sound like babies for attention. Om nom 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 nom.
Do you remember that cat that goes, "Oh, Long John Silver"?
Oh, Long Johnson.
Oh, Long John.
Do I remember that cat? You mean,
Oh, it was from South Park.
you mean Old Long Johnson?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. It was a clip. It was an actual cat. But I think they referenced it in South Park as well.
Oh, Long Johnson.
But it was an actual thing.
Whoa, why is there fire chasing me? Why did I not
Jump
jump?
over it. It's one of
Oh,
those
it's a
humans
guy.
that you always
Oh, it's
say
that
is
guy.
super easy to defeat, who has just taken 3 points of health off of you.
3 points deducted.
From Gryffindor!
Is that what Ratchet's in now?
Yeah. This is Harry
He's
Potter.
a wizard. You're a wizard, Ratchet.
Right? You're a Lombax,
Thank you,
Harry.
Thank you, Clank.
Would have been a better film. I'm not into Harry Potter. But if it was like, you're a Lombax, Harry. Yeah, I've always been a Lombax, mate. It's a fucking species. What are you on about? You fucking bitch.
I'm a what?
I'm a what now?
That's why everybody sings Longback's Loving to me.
Oh, do you remember Longback's Loving?
Who doesn't remember Longback's Loving? Oh,
classic song. Oh, you did
fuck
it,
you,
though.
guy. Now I'm down to
To
one.
be fair, I don't remember how it goes.
I don't remember how it goes.
Longback's Loving. That's the bit I remember. Just the words and it's
Sweet
to that
Longback's Loving.
Oh, it should be like a Barry White song, though.
So sweet.
Longback's Loving.
Oh,
no.
fuck this thing again.
Man,
I'm so
I
high.
hate these. You're looking good so far.
And then I fucked it.
Just move the middle one more. Keep going. Aww. It was so close. That won't work because those two are in the way.
Yeah. It's mostly trial and error.
At least there's only 3 things, so all we've got to do is try the 3 in the different things. Right? 3 times each?
Yeah.
That means 9. That's not really right, is it? 3 things, 3 options each. Maybe
Maybe
it's-
blocking that. Yep, that's fine, that one.
No. Other way. Try the other way. Keep going. The other way. No, the other way.
Oh, yeah, because then that's... No.
Fuck, man. This is boring and I don't understand them that well. Well, I do, but it's just trial and error. It's
Yeah.
not even really much to solve. You kind of got to be the one doing it, I feel.
There! Did it!
Yay.
Woo! Now I need to get some fucking help.
Hey! Oh, he's got a thing. Where are your drones?
And I'm dead.
Where are your drones?
Oh, yeah, I forgot to equip them.
That might help. That'll stop you from dying.
Wine glove, glow.
Got one with a shield.
Cool. Drone device.
Yeah, you should always have that on. It protects you from harm.
I got some great bargains for
It
you.
also protects the world from
Maxed
devastation.
out. To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
James!
Team Rocket Lesnar is speedlight.
Oh, wait. Oh, it was fucking... Oh, no, wait. It's still James, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was the last bit you did?
Team Rocket speeding up.
This bit. Surrender now or prepare to fight. Meowth. That's right.
That's right, you.
I'm trying to remember who
No!
plays David. That's right, you fucking cunts.
You toilet.
You toilet. He's not Daddy Dyer.
What?
Why don't you just go all the way forward? Hey.
Made it.
Hey.
Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to quit.
Put your drones back on. You might as well put it on the menu. Oh, you did.
Yeah.
Get them out then.
If you
Don't just
insist.
put them in the hot bar and not use them. Oh, and if you walk into things, it hurts them as well.
Yeah.
They're the best. You should always have those on.
Why don't I use my minions to get through that guy with a gun?
Can they do that? Can they go round? and
Yeah, because he's
attack
not
him?
shooting directly at them, so...
Well, I just wondered if they just walk into the shield and get stuck.
Oh, fuck you, guy.
Drones. Drones.
Yeah, those guys aren't too bad.
Yeah, but you might as well always have your drones out so that you don't get hurt.
Let's see what they do.
Why are you not using the drones?
That's why.
I know they've done it, but you wouldn't have taken any damage if you'd also used the drones.
I'd still get hit by bullets.
Oh, so is that not what they're for then? I thought the point was to stop you getting hit by bullets.
Yeah, I'd still get hit by the bullets.
Ah, that sucks then. I was super on board with it a second ago. Now I'm not so sure of them.
No, it's if anything comes into my proximity.
So it's for like these kind of guys.
Yeah.
It's for ground dwellers. I probably would have worked on those seagull motherfuckers too.
Yeah.
You got to do it on a trespasser in a second, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I just saw...
So you're aware of the fun that's
Unless-
coming. Unless you could jump over,
Nah.
cheat it.
Cheat the game. Fuck the game.
Exploits. Hacks. Actually, you look like you could jump over that wall. Do your like big rocket jump thing.
Oh,
Can you do that when you're in the air? You know your butt smash one?
yeah.
You look like you can get over that. Oh! It's because he dropped straight down.
Yeah.
They did that to stop you from doing it. That would have been funny.
That would have been like proper.
No, go back. Go back.
That's gonna block it. That's fine.
Yeah, you were like basically already there. Oh no,
That's
there's
not
one at the
fine.
bottom.
That's fine.
And yay!
Oh.
Oh. Yay! Oh.
Not quite. Oh, fudge.
I thought you were super close right at the beginning.
I probably wasn't a fucked with thing.
Because there's two at the top, they're right next to each other. Yeah, that.
Yay!
Yay!
How far am I into the rabbit hole?
Not very. Definitely won't be this episode.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
Shit, man.
Glove of Doom, do your thing.
Yeah, because you can just stay here. They're willing to go quite far. It seems to only take one of them as well.
I might actually get 10,000, you know?
What, from this level?
Yeah, 10,000 bolts.
What do you need with 10,000?
The rocket that seeks.
The rocket that seeks.
But you know what I mean. The rocket that seeks.
They call it the rocket that seeks. Magic missile.
That's also Magic Mike's nickname.
Yeah, magic missile.
Get it? Because he's got a penis.
You know how they say that jokes are less funny when you explain them?
Yeah.
Not always. Sometimes it's better than the joke itself.
Yes! I'm making mincemeat of
Felled that tower.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
It's not getting you though. It's got really shit aim. Oh, now it is. Do your drones not protect you from this while you shoot?
Good shout, actually.
So these aren't like bullets. Actually, it's not shooting you now. You're golden. Oh.
Well, it just threw it off balance.
Someone takes a couple of hits. Aren't you impressive?
Oh, it took two and then it killed me. Oh, you...
Right. Is this right back at the beginning?
Yeah.
That's
You fucking
not
prick.
cool. That's way too far. All the enemies still... No, all the enemies
No,
are back as well. Just fell into the void of space. Yeah, just keep going forward.
That's just such bullshit.
Yeah, that's way too far. Unless we missed a shop or something. We didn't walk past another shop, did we? Because there must be another checkpoint thing.
We didn't walk past any shop. That's... yeah.
That's way too far.
I think that's why I need the other gun, so I don't have to stand so close to it, so I can just shoot it from a further distance.
Don't stand for...
Close to me.
But I suppose kind of the way this game works is even when you die you get to keep all the bolts.
Yeah.
So even if you just kept doing it and kept dying, eventually you'd get enough bolts to buy the upgrade you need.
Eventually I'd get there.
Well, let's not leave it that fucking long. Do it this time. Kill them all. Wahahaha.
Okay, Jesse.
That's actually nuts.
She's got a classy evil laugh. Oh, brilliant. I knew I always loved you, Gerald.
Who's Gerald?
One of the little minions.
Aww. Wasn't one called Big Jerome?
Yes.
And there was also a little Jerome, I think.
Yeah.
Man, all you guys are the best. I love you, my little robot family.
You're my little brothers. I will always be there for you.
Don't let them take you away from me.
Oh, that's why there was all those bolts down here. Fuck you, guy. You're not chasing me up.
Oh no. Omnonomosaurs.
Omnonomosaur.
Whatever you call them. Jawasauras.
Yeah.
Charizard. No.
What the fuck? What was that?
Don't hit the chemical vats. Don't hit those.
Noted. Oh, shit.
Go hide behind that corner. Wait, turn around. You're going way too far. It definitely can't hit you from there. Look right as you go forward. Right. Hide there. I can't get you from here. Remember, you need to shoot twice.
You can't catch me.
You're gonna die. Oh, first one didn't get it.
Yeah.
Nice. Real fucking nice.
Do you know what I got for that? 2 bolts.
Did you?
2 freaking bolts.
That was kind of bullshit.
That is bullshit. Bullshittery at its finest. Oh, so now I have a genuine reason to collect the bolts. Not just. Oh, fuck's sake, there's another one.
There's 2 of them.
Another 2.
Stay here and shoot this one while the other one can't see you. Then do the same thing.
But it looked on.
No, I think it just hadn't got to it yet. I think it's just quite far away. You just needed to wait longer. There you go.
Yes.
Nice. Just need to keep your distance, my dude.
Keep your distance.
Guys, he's killed himself before he just blew himself up by hitting that bat.
And I
like you
blew
just did.
myself up.
Health on the right.
And I thought I'd just like.
Blew up the whole field of them, yeah. Right, leave him alone. Don't touch him. Resist the urge. This looks too neat and organised and I don't trust it.
There's health there, so it's fine by me. Only another 6,000 bolts and then I can get that gun.
Yeah, not much. Just
Yeah, just
3
6,000.
times as much as what you've got.
I think I'm about
Oh, you're
halfway
nearly at
through
full
now.
level. What, the level?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks it. It depends. Then do you reckon there's just like a big boss battle at the end?
Possibly. I don't remember. I've not played this game in.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa! Why is that filling up?
Why are you collecting bolts if that's filling up? It's not filling up, is it? No, you're fine. It's not
Fuck
filling
off,
up.
Jawasauras Rexes.
You're fine. Oh, do you have to fight Quark, or does he just get away?
I think you fight Quark and then
Fight both of them.
you get Quark inside and then.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, that's why it's rising. Ooh,
Oh.
that wasn't a smart move.
So
Nor
do
was
it
that.
again. There you go.
Oh,
one
come-
more time.
come
There
on!
we go. Oh, thank fuck
fuck.
it doesn't send you all the way back to the beginning. I would have ended the episode early just for the sake of not fucking going through that again. Alright. Play it safe. At least it doesn't kill you instantly. To be fair, this acid is better than landing in water.
Yeah, it's better than landing in that ice water. I like how Ratchet doesn't look phased at all. He's like, oh.
It's a robot, he's going to be fine.
No, Ratchet!
Oh, you can't see his face, so how's he going to look phased?
Oh yeah, he's still wearing the mask. He has to wear the mask to survive on this planet.
He is the mask with Jim Carrey. They're killing him.
Thank you guys! So my response for you killing him was to kill you.
Or is this a big magnet?
Oh shit, there's another one.
It's the same one. I don't think they can kill each other. I just knocked him back.
Yeah, I could kill the living fuck out of him.
kill the living fuck out of him. That made sense.
Of course it did.
Magnetic boot time.
You mean strange shit time?
We're at episode length.
Ah.
Should we just do this next episode? Because you're probably going to go into the boss fight.
Whoa!
Oh, fuck that shit.
Yeah, let's do this next episode.
Wait, just face the camera while the lava's coming up, because you look badass right now. That's it for this episode. Next episode, probably finishing the game?
Possibly.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Shit.
Goodbye, and you
Bye.
Bye. Melt, 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 melt. Can I take the dog with me?
Does the dog get eaten?
She just kicked the dog. What the fuck? What is this? Was they teaching
violence?